Hey there sailors, in this video I'm going to show you how you can get fertile soil in Windrose. Now when you check over to your discovery over on your journal, over on the foothills you'll be able to find fertile soil right here. And in the description it will say that it can be found in abandoned farms in the foothills. Currently right now on my map, I'm currently right next to an ancient farm, and inside right here it will say that resources that can be gathered here and fertile soil is one of them. Right to the side of these ruins, there's pretty much plots of soil right here that I can mine by using a copper pickaxe or better. And you should be able to collect some fertile soil right there. Once you've discovered it, check over to your journal again. And over here, you'll be able to find the new building elements that are currently available to you. By finding fertile soil, you've pretty much unlocked farming, giving you access to better food. So once you see these patches inside the ancient farms, get as many as you can, because this will be detrimental for your farming. And that's pretty much about it on how to get fertile soil in Windrose.